So if you're thinking about hauling some bluestone, this was a really good load if you need 2x3s and 2x2s and maybe your... So in this case, so I already pulled 2 out, ready to unload, but we have... So we went with 2x3s on the bottom. That gets us above the wheel well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. These are 1.5 inches. And then we went with 2x2s right across, and we were able to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full layers. And then I had one in the middle on top, and that was, so it's a good load. Turns out it's I can't remember now. Oh, let me check my sheet. It was 88 square feet total. So that's what hauled comfortably on a 2022 Toyota Tacoma. So 88 square feet of 1.5 inch bluestone. Because sometimes I wonder, like, how much can I haul, and maybe I'm not the only one wondering that. Now, is that an overload? I calculated out a couple times. It seemed pretty close to the limit. I mean, one thing that's on my side is the weight is all up front. You really need the weight up front. You start putting a bunch of weight back here, or like even throughout the whole bed, that's a whole nother ball game in my opinion. That, to me, that's, you know, these numbers aren't even going to relate to that. You start putting the weight back here, you cannot haul as much. There's no way you should. Like if this was sand and it was across the whole bed, that's a different ball game. So you know, piling it up front, getting it in the middle of the truck more. The extended bed does throw it off. You know, imagine if this truck, you know, didn't have the extended bed there, or the extended cab. This weight would be closer to those front wheels. You know, right now it's from here. You know, it's basically there. But regardless, this hauled well. I did not go over fast or anything, you know, and avoid bumps. So we're going to start unloading. So 88 square feet, hauled comfortably. 1.5 inch bluestone. And I'm not saying you should do that. You know, it depends on the distance, and if really stay under that. It'd be better, you know, maybe 66 square feet would be very comfortable for this truck. Okay. Got a bunch going on here, and it's a really nice day, so makes me want to work outside. And I got a couple projects in mind. So let's get this unloaded, and we'll then move on to the next one.